According to previous information, several months ago Korea Aerospace Industries introduced plans to upgrade the FA-50 used by the Philippine Air Force. This includes supporting proposals to add a squadron or two of FA-50s and introduce the advanced KF-21 Barame fighter. Given the history of the Philippine Air Force's support of KAI's FA-50s, it is not surprising that aerospace companies aim to market these jets to them. In this discussion we study the specific capabilities of the KF-21 Barame as presented by South Korea. We compare its specifications and performance with the FA-50 currently deployed in the country's Air Service branch during a Philippine Air Force event held a few months ago in 2023. Representatives from Korea Aerospace Industries is advocating for their KF-21 aircraft as well as proposing to upgrade the existing FA-50 to the Block 20 variant and potentially add at least 2 more squadrons or 24 additional FA-50 units to the Philippine Air Force. Vigilantly monitor any developments regarding the advanced multi-role fighter KF-21 Barame. This indicates an intention to consider the aircraft once it reaches maturity and production begins. The KF-21 Barame provides an opportunity for Korea Aerospace Industries as a seller and the Philippine Air Force as a potential but unconfirmed buyer to acquire a fighter capable of simultaneously strengthening the security of the country's airspace. This offers an opportunity for South Korean companies to expand their reach. Market share in fighter aircraft sales in the region. However, it is important to note that the Barame KF-21 is still in the development stage. Korea Aerospace Industries at KAI is conducting several test flights, making minor design modifications and obtaining certification before transitioning the design to mass production at this time. There are 6 prototype aircraft to facilitate this testing. The KF-21 Barame originates from South Korea's first domestically developed multi-role fighter aircraft combining advanced technology. The formal development process began in 2015 when the South Korean Defense Acquisition Program (DAPA) administration signed an agreement with Korea Aerospace Industries (KAI) for the development of the aircraft. This initiative comes after the US approved the transfer of technology used on the F-35 fighter aircraft, which the Philippine Air Force received a pair of advanced FA-50PH fighter trainer jets from the South Korean aerospace manufacturer, which completed delivery in 2017. The KAI KF-21 Barame, formerly known as KF-X, is a South Korean-led fighter aircraft development program with the aim of producing an advanced multi-role fighter for the South Korean and Indonesian air forces. This airframe is more stealthy than any 4th-generation fighter, but does not carry weapons in internal bays like 5th-generation fighters, although internal bays may be introduced later in development. Officially named Barame, this jet served as the basis for KAI's later product launches, leading to the launch of the KF-21 Barame prototype on April 9, 2021. President Moon Jae-in marked this event as an important milestone for the South Korean aviation industry as it marked the first domestic production of a supersonic fighter jet. Advanced multi-role. Subsequent maiden flights took place in July 2021, with the first supersonic flight taking place in January 2023, showing progress and placing South Korea among a select group of countries producing supersonic aircraft. The development progress of the KF-21 Barame has attracted interest from countries such as the Philippines due to its potential benefits in improving air defense identification zones. However, development of the aircraft is ongoing, with completion required before mass production begins to be incorporated into the Philippine Air Force. The next 5 to 10 years still depend on closely monitored developments in the Defense Department. These considerations align with the government's focus on external defense as highlighted in the implementation of the Horizon 3 project.